cannot be more passionate and excited about the fact that this is the best in Hillingdon, and I would say the best in West London, if not wider afield than that. So I would say to everybody, get involved. If you want to be engaged with business in Hillingdon, Hillingdon Expo is where you need to be.
Red Poppy Photography is really excited about going back to the Expo this year. We had a fantastic day in 2018, and we're going to be talking to a wide variety of businesses about their branding images and seeing if we can help them.
Action Coach has been coming to Hillingdon Expo for 5 years, and every year we've been having a lot of connections and a lot of business coming out of Expo. So I would highly recommend new businesses to come and see what it is all about.
Ward Williams are proud to be sponsoring the Hillingdon Expo for the 5th year. We're looking forward to catching up with the local businesses and finding out what's going on across the area.
I'm really looking forward to the Expo this year. It's my 3rd year of being here as an exhibitor, and it's a great opportunity to meet both people in the community and to network with local businesses, both small and large.
Come along to the Hillingdon Business Expo at Brunel University London in Uxbridge. It's on the 30th of May. It begins at 9:30, finishes at 4:30, a free lunch and a free barbecue. And lastly, it's free to attend. We look forward to seeing you there.